Alright, the PCV fix kit for the Sonic came in from Cruise Kits. We've got the valve, all the different fittings, washers, clamps and whatnot. The hose to run from the valve to that there, which is going to tap into the evap line. Our epoxy to seal the original PCV port, which is down in there, and some thread sealant to seal up the threads on everything in there. So let's get this started. So, got the old intake manifold out. Signs of no PCV valve at all. And yeah, not a whole lot of room to get squeezed out of here, but got it done. Now I just gotta take some parts off of the car and the house, get them situated on the new manifold with the PCV fix, and then I can get out here and get it installed on the car. Okay, so got the fix kit all installed on the ported manifold, but didn't have a heat gun, so I had to kind of make what they do in Cruise Kits, where they give you this line and a couple extra clamps, but I'll eventually get some better clamps to replace all these here, so that way they're a little nicer looking like the ones they supply right there. But yeah, ported manifold, got ported throttle body over there to go on, so now it's time to fish that down in there. Alrighty, it's all put back together. Manifold is in, tightened down. Everything is as it should be. Ported throttle body is also put on. Only thing left to do is reconnect the battery, start it up, and hope everything is good. Alright, fixed kit's all in. Had to change out the throttle body and go back to the stock one. It did not like the ported one. Put it in the power reduced mode, but that's whatever. That was just an experiment more than anything. Yeah, just letting it warm up. Gotta put tools away, and I'm gonna take it for a drive. See what the ported intake manifold does along with the fixed kit. Should pull a little harder up top. Should pull harder overall with it now having a PCV valve and not pressurizing the crankcase when it's in boost. And the great thing about it is, other than the couple extra clamps, you can't even tell that there's anything done there. But yeah, that's it for this.